Good evening, guys. I am Haribam Shukla. I am your physics mentor. So now today we will study the chapter of equation of motion. Chapter of motion, the topic equation of motion of class 9th. So we will study the Newton's laws of equation. These are just a minute. There are three equation of motions we have, and we are supposed to solve them and derive them too in your curriculum, school curriculum. V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. These equations are applied only in uniform motion. So V stands for final velocity, U stands for initial velocity, and A stands for acceleration, S stands for the distance traveled, and T stands for time. That's all. These five variables are here. Okay. So now we are supposed to study how we are going to derive these equations, derivation and the application in questions. Okay. So now when we learn the derivation, the first equation, very first equation, V is equal to U plus AT. Now again, when we will start observing a motion of a body which starts from U and finishes at V within time interval T with an acceleration, acquiring an acceleration from U to V. Whenever we will talk about whole motion, we will always talk about the, you can say, average velocity, not the velocity. Velocity means velocity can be termed as instantaneous. So if we'll move from one place to other place, every time's velocity velocity of every instant can be different. But when we are supposed to measure the velocity throughout the motion, we always calculate V average. So what is the V average in uniform motion? That is V plus U by 2. This is the first concept we are going to use. And second concept, V average in non-uniform motion. So for this is for uniform motion, and for non-uniform motion we write V average is equal to total distance traveled upon total time taken. Correct? So in this motion, in these equations, we are going to calculate everything for uniform motion only. So these equations are applied only in the case of uniform motion. So now we will try to understand the derivation of first equation. So now we can write acceleration is equal to V2 minus V1 upon T2 minus T1. Correct? So now acceleration, what is the final velocity here? We will write V minus U upon the time interval is what? This T. So we will write T. Correct? So when we will write A is equal to V minus U upon T, we will shift this T on this side. So we will write AT is equal to V minus U, and V is equal to U plus AT. We will shift this U on the LHS and we can write this equation. Hence, it is proved. Now students, whenever I am teaching something, you can stop the slide and write everything I have wrote on the board. Okay? So that's all. Today we will study. Tomorrow we will study the later part of this section. Thank you so much.